Hello everyone, my name is Partha Mandyam. I am an IT professional with over 30 years of experience, and I started out in client server with Visual Basic and SQL Server for about 15 years, and then I've been working for 10 years in .NET, and now I'm in .NET and SQL Server expert. And now today let me tell you about my journey with Fortran. I remember it began in college when I was in the final year of my engineering degree, and we had to study Fortran for our computer science course. And I remember that it was one of the first languages that I really studied, and where I remember that it was especially important for mathematical. I know we did a um, lot of complex engineering calculations using Fortran, and though I know that it wasn't really GUI based like today's Visual Basic or .NET, which I came to know much later. At that time when I was in engineering in way back in 1987, I was just it was mainly Fortran and COBOL, and I mean, in Fortran you couldn't really design like inputs that much, but it had powerful computing power with a lot of support for mathematical formulas. And I know we did solve some uh, lots of mathematical problems with that, also physics. We did some, I think, about satellite trajectory and stuff like that. I remember, of course, it's a long time back, so I don't really remember everything. But later on in life, as I worked in an engineering organization for about 8 years, and then I moved completely into software, and then I moved to Wipro Systems, and then I got introduced into the GUI world, where we use Visual Basic and then later on into .NET, and that's how my software journey has this thing. But I still remember about Fortran. Fortran is basically uh, at that time for really solving all the mathematical problems. So that's what I wanted to talk to you about, and thanks for listening.